In this part, we are going to learn about the Earth and the Moon. Earth. The word Earth came from the Greek word called planetai. It means wanderers. And Earth is third planet from the Sun. According to the distance, it presents as a third. And according to the size, it is the fifth biggest planet in our solar system. And it takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete a revolution around the Sun. And the shape of the earth is called as a geoid, and it is not a complete spherical shape. It is a flattened at the north pole and the south pole, so it looks like as shown in the diagram. So this shape is given a special name called geoid. And one third of the earth has a land and the remaining is covered with the water. When the earth is seen from the satellite pictures, it appears blue in color. So the Earth is also called as a blue planet. Now next thing is about the moon. The moon is the nearest neighbor to the Earth, and this also has two rotations, that is spin and the revolution. It spins about its own axis and it revolves around a planet, that is our Earth, and it takes 27 days 7 hours to complete its revolution. And the distance between Earth and Moon is 384,400 kilometers. That's why it appears very tiny. And scientists believe that the formation of the Moon has occurred during the formation of the Earth. Before there was a belief that it is a part of the Earth, but the research from the rocks found in the Moon shows that it is not a part of the Earth, but it is formed during the same time as the Earth formed. And Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first to step on the moon, and they saw some uplands and valleys. Like Earth, moon does not have light on its own. It reflects the light of the sun. In actual, that is in real, moon neither increases nor decreases as many believe. When the far side of the moon is illuminated, the moon cannot be seen from the earth, and that time it is known as the new moon. And slowly it appears and attain a full moon, and again slowly decreases and become a new moon. So this complete phase will take 29 days and 12 hours. So in this part we have learned about the details of the earth and the moon.